guys, welcome back to the Art of Science. I'm Chandni, and a few days back I came across what seemed to be the easiest illusion ever. This illusion was so easy to make and it worked like magic. Color changing magic. Look at this hexagon. This looks like it's orange color, right? What about now? This DIY is so simple that you can make it in under 10 minutes. It's easier than origami. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First, take two A4 sheets of any color you like and cut a strip 3 centimeters wide from each paper. We are going to mark at 12 centimeters and 24 centimeters and cut along these marks. So the reason why we mark at 12 centimeters and 24 centimeters is so that we can get strips that are 12 centimeters long. Now you can even take strips that are 9 centimeters or 15 centimeters. Just make sure that the number is divisible by 3. Why? Well, you'll get to know shortly. Your strips should look something like this. Now stick the orange strips on top of the purple ones so that you have 2 strips in total, with one side orange and the other side purple. Divide the length of the strip into thirds. In my case, that's 4 centimeters each. Use a pair of scissors to make a score line that will help us neatly fold the paper like this. Once that is done, align your strips with the opposite colors on top and use some transparent tape to tape the ends. Tape the other end as well and your hexagon is now ready. Now for the main part is how to hold it. You need to hold it in a way that 3 of the same colors are down and the other 3 are on top. If you tilt it forward, you will see the outer upper layers and the inner down layers which are of the same color. But if you tilt it the other way, you will see the outer bottom layers and the inner top layers which are of different colors, giving the illusion that the shape is changing colors. And there you go. Isn't this a really fun experiment? Isn't this illusion super fun and easy to make? This is so much fun. I could play with this the whole day. Now before you guys go, there's one challenge for you. So tell me, is it possible to make this same illusion with any other shape other than hexagon? What do you think? Leave your answers in the comment section below and we'll see you next week.